Hey guys, and welcome to the Mr. Alternative Crypto Network. The headline for today you'll see is the bears losing the battle with Bitcoin. Now, what does that mean? If you don't know what a bear is someone in the investment market. It could be just a simple investor, trader, or it could be firms that become bearish. What that means is they're betting the market's going to go down, not up. So in general, what a bear is they're people that are shorting the market. Now, what's shorting mean? Normally when you buy shares or crypto, it's called spot trading, where you're literally just buying and you're holding it for the long term, waiting for the price to go up. So you physically own the asset, and when you sell it, you're selling it either for profit or a loss. Bears tend to be traders where they'll use leverage as their tool. So basically, they're not buying to keep it; they're buying it for a short period of time, betting on whether the market will go up or down. So if they leverage, so let's say they've got $1,000, they can leverage it say 10 times. So they're only using $1,000 to bet on 10,000. And with that $10,000, they're betting that the market will go long, which is up, or down, which is short. Now, as the market's been going down a lot, they've short and they made a lot of money. So when it goes down and they bet on it going down, they actually make money. And when it goes the other way, so they've bet on it going down, but it actually goes up, they can get liquidated and they lose it all. Now, what's been happening is quite easy to explain when I show you here. So I'll go to my CoinMarketCap app. And right here, you'll see the easiest way is to show you Bitcoin. Just give me a sec. I'll go back here to Bitcoin. You'll see if I go back to 90 days here. So you'll see 90 days ago, the price was 31,800. Right here, you'll see it's gone down. And this is where they made a lot of money. The bears got down here to 17,500. Now what they did, it went up a little, got to about 20,856, came back down, 19,000. This is where the bears came in. They think it's all going to go back down. It's going to go to 14,000. And what happens? It goes up. Goes up to 21,000. That's their first liquidation. They get absolutely wrecked. Then it goes back down. What do? Oh, it's going to go back down. We're sure we're right this time. It's not going up. Bang. Goes up to 23,000. They get wrecked. Goes back down to 21,000. Oh, it's going to go back down. That's what they think. And goes to 24,000. Same thing, comes back down to 23,000, 22,000, and they think it's going to go down. And what's happened? It's going up again. Now, this is, you can see here, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. The market is slowly going up, and it's going up in a sustainable way. It's going up in the best possible way we could hope for. Instead of it just shooting through the roof and then it crashes, it's going up slowly. Now, that's sustainable. And the reason why I'm so confident on this continuing right now is quite simple. A couple of days ago, the biggest news in crypto market in years happened. It's a company called BlackRock. I don't know if you've heard of BlackRock. They're the world's biggest financial investment firm. When I say biggest, think of all the money in the world that all the people own, whether it's in shares or cash or whatever, and multiply that by 4. That's how much BlackRock control in money. Now, what do they buy? They generally buy into index funds, bonds, shares, Who gives them the money? Superannuation companies, countries. The Japanese pension fund goes through BlackRock. And why do they do it? Because they're just so large. They have all these brokers, etc., that can just deliver better results than what it would be if they did it themselves. Now, what's the news? So the news was that they're using Coinbase now, and they're installing Coinbase into the back end of their financial system. So when the brokers log into their computers now, they'll be able to directly log into Coinbase. And now they can use Coinbase to buy crypto into their funds. What does that mean? Well, it's quite simple. They're the largest financial firm in the world with 4 times more money than the whole world's money supply combined. That basically just means one thing. The more money coming in and limited supply means the price goes up. And it's evident. Just have a look at what's going on in the market. Guys, if I show you, people keep thinking, the market's going to go back down. And look, it could go down. But you can't keep waiting for that to happen. The evidence is here. So if I go to the CoinMarketCap market cap, you'll see in here 90 days ago it went down. And you'll see slowly but surely, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, it's slowly going up in a sustainable way. Now, the other thing to show you is the Bitcoin dominance. This is the easiest way to explain things. Bitcoin is the largest out of all the cryptos by a mile. But that's a safety net. So when you see here, when the market tumbled down, the Bitcoin dominance went up. So that means that out of all the money in crypto, at that point there, more than 47% of it was in Bitcoin. Bitcoin was more than 47% of the whole market share in crypto. But what that means is as confidence is coming back into the market, people aren't buying Bitcoin. They're buying the altcoins. And look at the dominance. It's going down and down and down. Basically what that means, guys, is quite simple. If you're looking to buy right now, are you buying Bitcoin? Are you buying the other coins? And what's happening is people, when they want safety, will buy Bitcoin because they're worried. But they're clearly not worried right now. They can see that these altcoins have plummeted. Some of them plummeted 85%. And they're going, if I got $1,000, I'm going to put it in that because I think it's going to go up more than, say, Bitcoin. And if I share the CoinMarketCap app again, it's clearly evident. Now, I'll show you this. Ethereum. 30 days. So 7 days up 3%. What's going on? Oh, it's a bit annoying. It's not loading. I'll go to another one. BNB. Okay. So 30 days up 34%. So see under the $328 there, you'll see a conversion there, which basically means one BNB coin, which is the Binance coin, is worth 0.0138 of one Bitcoin. But in the same month, if you bought the BNB coin, it's actually gone up 22% more than what it would have been if you bought Bitcoin. So it's outperformed Bitcoin by 22.7%. That's just BNB. If I go to, I'll try Ethereum again here for you. And for some reason it's not working, but Ethereum's pumped up more than 45%, so same thing. If I go to, I don't know, Polkadot, for example. So it's up 11.88% more than Bitcoin. Same thing, it's gone up 22% for the month. You can't deny these figures, guys. Avalanche. It's up 28% more than against Bitcoin. It's up 41% for the month. Are you going to keep waiting, guys? The reality is, guys, this is simple. Do you buy at 24,000 or do you buy when it's 30,000? Because if you keep waiting for it to go down, the reality is it could keep going up in those steps to 25, then 26, then 27. Then you go, oh, I'm just going to bite the bullet now and pay 30. Well, don't do that. Just dollar cost average. Buy little bits here and there, and that's going to be the best way to get a good, solid return on your investment. You're not waiting for it. It'll all average out in the end. So guys, that's what I wanted to talk about. Now, the other thing was I'd be keeping an eye on the exchange coins. What's an exchange coin? When you buy crypto, you have to go to like Binance or crypto.com, etc. Binance has been starting to pump, so that's the BNB coin. It's up 34%. The other one to keep an eye on is the Crocoin. Kronos is the crypto.com coin. That's just starting to pump now. And that 14.94, that was nearly 95 cents at one stage. It's had a long way to go. And the reason why I'm on to these exchange coins is because as people get more confident and they want to buy crypto again, they're going to have to go to an exchange and buy. And which are the biggest exchanges? So think about that. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed the episode today. There'll be another episode tomorrow. Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button and the bell notification. But until tomorrow, have fun.